I used to think faces were easy. I mean, it's just some circles, right? Wrong. Very wrong. I kept trying and failing. One drawing looked like a balloon, the next looked like a pancake with eyes. This one, I don't even know what species I was aiming for. But hey, we all start somewhere, and now I can finally say I figured out a way to draw faces without rage quitting. So here's how I do it, step by step. No gatekeeping, just real stuff. First, we begin with the infamous circle. This doesn't have to be perfect, alright? We're not drawing planets for NASA. Just a loose, sketchy shape that kinda looks like a head. If you're spending more than 30 seconds making the perfect circle, stop. It's a sketch, not a surgery. Now, we slice that circle down the middle, vertical line. That's our anchor. And we add a horizontal line across. This is where the eyes will sit later. These guidelines are everything. Without them, your face is just a vibe, and not the good kind. Depending on your angle, these lines tilt. Front view, straight. Looking up, curved down. Looking down, curved up. It's wild how one tilted line can mess up the whole face. Been there, done that. 27 times. Do this 100 times. Draw heads from front, side, 3/4. If they look cursed at first, good, you're learning. Start carving out the jaw. You're turning a balloon into a face. Soft jaw, round it out. Sharp jaw, angles. Now, let's map it. Eyes on the horizontal line. Not above it, not in the forehead unless you're drawing a third eye character. Nose, halfway between eyes and chin. Mouth, halfway between nose and chin. This one's tricky. If it feels too low, that's probably correct. Keep everything loose for now. You're not detailing, you're mapping. Think of it like scaffolding. And here's the real move. After you've placed everything and it kinda looks right, erase the rough sketch. Seriously, you're not committing yet. You're just figuring out placement. Once it looks solid, then you draw it clean. That's when you start caring about the details. Erase the chaos. Keep the plan. Then trace over it like you're fixing your life. Trust me, cleaning up makes a huge difference. It's where your scribble starts to look like a real drawing. This part used to stress me out. I'd spend hours in drawing and erasing the eyes alone. One side would be vibing, the other would be on strike. Now I just sketch both fast, fix them later. No pressure, no drama. Here, the final boss. Also the number one reason I gave up on so many drawings. This used to be me. Drawing 500 strands, hating life. But I realized hair's not about strands. It's about flow, shape, and volume. I start by outlining the silhouette, the whole hair shape, top of the head to where it ends. Forget details for now. Hair follows gravity or wind, or how sad your character is. And remember, hair grows from the scalp, not from the airspace floating 2 inches above. Yeah, I did that. And there it is, a full head, not cursed, not melting, just decent. And that's so in. Drawing faces isn't about memorizing perfect rules. It's about learning structure and sketch it until your hand gets bored of failing. If you're just starting, keep it loose, keep it fun. Don't aim for masterpieces. Just aim for less chaos than yesterday. And if all else fails, draw a circle, add a smile, boom, head.